going to look at the air fryer liners. So let's go ahead, take them out of the package and show you what they look like. Now these are made for the 8-inch square. These are for the larger air fryer. And it has instructional guide here. It also comes with a pair of tongs, which is really nice. And they are pre-wrapped. So you can see this, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So you don't have to open all of them at one time. We're gonna go ahead and put the other ones back in the box, and I'm gonna keep these out, and that way I can use them. So let's go ahead and let's get the air fryer. Just remember, this is for a larger air fryer. I'm going to put some homemade chicken fingers. Now these are frozen, so they will take. As you can see, the air fryer paper keeps everything nice and clean. It keeps all of the juices in, so that way you don't have to do so much cleanup. The chicken is done. I'm gonna go ahead and cut the chicken up, and there you go. Everyone is the paper air fryer. They're great for convenience, and you don't have to do all that scrubbing and cleaning.